Hi. First, introduce myself. This is Govind Devda from India. Now I am techno-functional consultant of Dynamics GP. Today we will discuss Microsoft Dynamics Great Plans. Okay. What is Microsoft Dynamics GP? Okay. Now, Microsoft Dynamics GP is a mid-market business accounting software, or maybe say that it's a ERP software package marketed in North and South America, UK and Ireland, the Middle East, Singapore, Australia and New Zealand. The Dynamics GP products were originally developed by David Masgrove. Okay, it's and the ERP of the Microsoft. There are lots of ERPs which is categorized here. Microsoft Dynamics AX means what is Acceptra. Microsoft Dynamics GP what? Great Plans. Microsoft Dynamics Nav what? Navision. Same as Microsoft Dynamics SL Solomon, and Microsoft Dynamics C5 Concord C5. Now next is there are lots of versions available in the GP. First versions is release is 1.0, then 9.0, 10.0, 2010, 2013, 2015, and latest version is 2016. Okay, now we discuss about the Dynamics GP 2015 version. Okay, now let me showing how to start Dynamics GP. Okay, now go to the startup, all programs, Microsoft Dynamics GP 2015. I had already installed the Dynamics GP and SQL Server. Okay, so in the next session I will explain how to install Dynamics GP and the SQL Server. Now first we're clicking on the Dynamics GP, this one. Let's start. Before I can explain, another thing is actually GP have a background is using a SQL Server. Okay, front end is we will discuss, and back end is using the SQL Server. By default in GP have a one Fabricant company is there. Okay, and there have a two databases stored when you create the Fabricant company. One is the Dynamics database, and second one is two database. Okay, now I'm showing you that it's a starting, it's a login screen of Dynamics GP. It's a server name which is SQL server name. Authentication is SQL server authentications. User ID is default. There are two users available in GP. One is SA user and second one is a Dyn SA. Now we are using the Dyn SA. Okay, the password is SQL password. Now enter. Here one option is the company selection. Actually in Dynamics GP you can create multiples company also. Okay, like is we have already created one company, but we install default company is Fabricant company, so we select the Fabricant company. Okay, and click on this one. Okay, now Dynamics GP is starting. It's coming the dashboard of GP. 1 second. Now 1 second. Okay, so what is the actual system requirements? Okay, their server OS is required Windows 8, SQL Server required Windows 8, Windows 7, and ultimate. Okay, processor is dual core and one single core, also 2 GB minimum RAM is required. Okay, now showing there, yeah, it's started. Okay, this is the dashboard of Dynamics GP. Okay, in this there are lots of modules stored already there: finance module, sales module, purchasing modules, administrative, inventory, HR and payroll, manufacturing. There are lots of, and we can also install the third party modules like field service, etc. Okay, uh, so we will discuss all modules step by step in the next section. Okay, so first, as well as we discuss what is the card, what is the transactions, and what is the setup portion. Okay, these all things we will discuss in the next section. But just a small introductions, I will explain one customer master, which includes in sales module because of customers, including in the sales module. So we go in the cards, sales, and the customer window. We will discuss each and everything, but just look and out how's the GPs look and what are the modules are there. Each and everything we will discuss. Okay, so this is customer master window. There you can attach some letters, also some attach files, print, etc. Here is one customer ID I had already created. Okay, this one is Aaron Fit. Just click it, and yeah, as well as one lookup is there. When you clicking this one, you can also select and find also, like this one Aaron Fit there. Just select it. This all are existing, it's all are come in the Fabricant company. And Fabricant company, what, it's a default company. Like 1 second, I will explain here. Here two databases are default. These all are on my database, this two and Dynamics. These two databases created default when you install the Fabricant company. Okay, so this old data are comes from which one? Fabricant company, which is already installed. Okay, now next section we also explain how to install a company in the ERP, in the GP. Okay, and we can install 4 to 5 whatever you have want. Many companies installed in the one ERP. Okay, now this is the customer master window. You can easily save, and here some additional windows are there. Accounts, what is account code and what is the views of account code, and what the reflect of the accounting system. This account code we will discuss in the next section. Same as address also. This address is attached primary address and secondary address. There are two types of address there. Yeah, this is secondary address, and this is the primary address. You can also select here which one address you have primary. This one, suppose. Okay, same as some options are there, like credit limit, what you want to exist, like $35,000 is a credit limit. Like some more features are there, emailing features, like you wanted to email this document particular customer, you can also able to in the Dynamics GP. Okay, so these all things we will discuss each and every portions in the next sections. It's just introductions. Okay, for further portion we will discuss in the next section. There I will explain to you how to install GP, SQL Server, and how linked with them. Okay. Now thanks for watching this video. Thank you.